Okay, this is in Petra. And it's frozen. I'm leaving it frozen so people aren't a distraction. But anyways, what we have is a circle in the center, an 8-pointed star, a white 8-pointed star, and 8 circles. So we have the circle, 8, 8, and 8. Okay? And then we have this down here. And this is the dragon reptilian skin. That's what that signifies. So look at all this old tile work. But that's the design, and it's the half circle, or it's the circle design also. Same as this. So it means something. If anybody knows what the significance is of this whole thing, I'd appreciate it. The only thing I really know about this, it was the land of the Edomites, who were the descendants of Esau. And they were always fighting. But they refused to allow Moses and the Israelites passage through the land on the way to Canaan. So that was in the time of King Saul and David. They fought the Edomites. But that was when Jehoshaphat, I think, was the king. Something like that. But later, the Lord said something about he was going to let the outskirts, the lands on the outskirts, be destroyed and decimated where nobody could live in it. But he also threw that on Petra also. Yeah, when Sodom and Gomorrah was overthrown. So that nobody would ever be able to live on the land, you know, at Petra again. And Petra also is where the treasury was, you know. So there's a huge history on it. I don't quite know all the details. I don't remember them. But I just am curious about this. And whose was it, you know? Which of the ites was it? Or did it belong to, you know, Nebuchadnezzar? Or was it Saul? You know, David? I don't know. So if anybody knows anything about this, let me know. Just leave it in the comment section. You know, I know Moses, it was in his time. It was in all their times, so. Okay, thanks. See you soon.